In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newcomer to the platform, I'll guide you through every detail to ensure that your website's footer aligns perfectly with your brand's identity and needs. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and either create a new Wix account or log into your existing one. If you already have an account, just head over to the Wix homepage and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to all things Wix, from editing current projects to starting new ones. If you're creating a new account, follow the sign-up instructions and you'll be set in no time. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to open up your existing project. But if you're in the mood for something fresh, feel free to create a new site. Remember, the way your homepage and subsequently your footer will look starts from the beginning of your project. So take a moment to consider your design style. Once you have your project open, scroll down towards the bottom of your page. This is where you'll see the footer area. It's that crucial section where visitors often look for social media links, contact information, or your business's important disclaimers. So, to customize the footer content, you can click on it to start editing. When you do this, it might highlight different elements within the footer, from texts to images or entire sections. What's great about Wix is its user-friendly interface. Simply click on any of these elements to either edit or completely replace them. Whether it's adding new contact information, an updated logo, or just revamping the style, you have the freedom to make those changes right here. Next, you'll see a toolbar appear. This is where the magic happens. With it, you're able to adjust the size of the elements, change the background color to match your theme, or play around with the layout until it fits just right. Experiment a bit and see what feels right for your site. After you've made your desired changes, it's important to see how it all looks in action. Click on the Preview button to review all the tweaks and adjustments you've implemented. This step ensures that everything appears exactly as you envisioned it on the live site. Test any links and make sure everything is just the way you want it. Finally, once you're satisfied with how it all looks, it's time to make those changes live for the world to see. Simply hit the Publish button. And there you have it. Your new, polished footer is ready to impress your audience. Editing your footer on Wix is as straightforward as that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy editing!